The TWINTIER RB401TE is a revolutionary stand-up rebar tying tool designed to maximize efficiency and worker comfort. Engineered by Max, this tool allows users to tie rebar up to twice as fast as conventional hand tying, reducing physical strain and increasing productivity. Its ergonomic upright design eliminates the need for bending, making it ideal for flat slab and bridge deck applications. Powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it delivers thousands of consistent, secure ties per charge. With an adjustable tie wire reel, brushless motor, and advanced torque control, the RB401TE ensures superior durability and reliability in demanding job site conditions. Perfect for contractors seeking speed, safety, and precision in concrete reinforcement work. The ThoughBuild Posthole digger is engineered for durability, strength, and ergonomic performance. Built with heavy-duty carbon steel and reinforced handles, it allows efficient digging of deep, narrow post holes with minimal effort. The precision-shaped blades penetrate tough soil easily, while the shock-absorbing grips reduce vibration and fatigue during prolonged use. A reinforced pivot joint ensures smooth operation and long-lasting durability, even under heavy loads. Ideal for fencing, landscaping, or construction projects, this post-hole digger combines the toughness of professional-grade materials with an intelligently designed structure for maximum control and accuracy. It's a reliable choice for professionals who demand performance and endurance from their hand tools. The Geevorks Nail Gun is a compact, high-performance fastening tool designed for efficiency and versatility. Suitable for woodworking, furniture assembly, and light construction, this cordless nailer combines power and precision in one lightweight package. The adjustable firing depth allows seamless control over nail placement, while the quick-load magazine ensures smooth, uninterrupted operation. Built with a durable composite body and comfortable ergonomic grip, the Geevorks Nail Gun minimizes fatigue during extended use. Its fast-acting motor provides rapid firing rates, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who value speed and accuracy. With dependable battery life and consistent output, this tool redefines convenience in nail fastening. The Geismar Narval is a cutting-edge rail drilling and maintenance solution built for precision, speed, and operator safety. Designed specifically for railway professionals, it delivers exceptional drilling accuracy even in the most demanding field environments. Its lightweight yet robust frame makes transportation and setup easy, while the high-torque motor ensures fast, clean holes through heavy rail materials. The Narval incorporates Geismar's advanced clamping system for stable, vibration-free operation and features intuitive controls for efficient workflow. With durable engineering and minimal maintenance requirements, this tool is a trusted asset for railway construction, maintenance, and inspection teams worldwide seeking reliability and superior performance. The TWINTIER Gelfit thigh support knee pads redefine comfort and protection for professionals who spend hours kneeling. Featuring a unique gel and foam design, they cradle the knees while evenly distributing pressure to prevent fatigue. The Gelfit system also includes thigh support and ergonomic stabilization frames that maintain natural alignment and balance. Built with heavy-duty materials, non-marring caps, and adjustable straps, these knee pads offer long-term durability even in harsh job site conditions. Ideal for construction workers, tilers, and flooring specialists, the Gelfit knee pads deliver unmatched stability and comfort. They exemplify TWINTIER's commitment to innovative ergonomic safety gear that enhances performance on the job. The Tolsen drywall sander is a professional-grade finishing tool designed to deliver smooth, even surfaces effortlessly. Equipped with a powerful motor and variable speed control, it allows users to tailor performance to different wall conditions. Its telescopic handle and flexible sanding head make it easy to reach ceilings and high walls without strain. The integrated dust extraction system keeps the workspace clean and improves visibility during sanding. Built from durable, lightweight materials, this tool provides reliable handling and long service life. Perfect for painters, contractors, and decorators, the Tolsen drywall sander ensures a flawless finish with less fatigue and superior dust control. The Vaughan Rage hammer is a multi-function striking tool crafted for power, balance, and durability. Featuring dual heads, one smooth face, and one milled, it's engineered to handle framing, demolition, and precision finishing. The forged steel construction provides exceptional strength, while the shock-absorbing grip minimizes vibration impact. The magnetic nail starter allows for one-handed operation, improving speed and safety. With its optimized weight distribution and ergonomic handle, the Vaughan Rage delivers controlled, high-impact strikes with reduced user fatigue. Trusted by professional carpenters and framers, it represents the perfect blend of innovation and traditional craftsmanship for modern job site demands. The Tolsen Hand Riveter is a compact, efficient tool for quick and reliable riveting operations. Constructed from hardened steel with precision-machined components, it ensures consistent performance and long-term durability. The ergonomic handles provide excellent leverage, allowing easy installation of aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets. With multiple interchangeable nose pieces, it accommodates various rivet sizes for versatile applications. Designed for maintenance, assembly, and repair work, the Tolsen Hand Riveter offers effortless operation and professional results. Whether in automotive, construction, or home improvement projects, it delivers strong, clean rivet connections every time. The Bosch PFS 7000 is an advanced paint spraying system built for speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Its powerful turbine delivers smooth, even paint application across walls, furniture, and large surfaces. Featuring Bosch's all-paint technology, it can handle a wide range of coatings, from thin lacquers to dense wall paints without dilution. The adjustable spray jet and variable airflow settings ensure precise control and minimal overspray. With quick, clean design and compact storage, the PFS 7000 offers convenience for both professionals and DIY painters. Built with Bosch reliability, it transforms painting into a faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable process. The Little Giant King Combo 2 is a professional 3-in-1 ladder, engineered for versatility and safety. It seamlessly transforms from a stepladder to an extension or leaning ladder, offering maximum adaptability on site. Constructed from lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum, it provides exceptional strength without sacrificing portability. The rotating wall pad feet protect surfaces while ensuring a stable grip. Integrated tool slots and wide rungs enhance user comfort and efficiency. Certified to meet rigorous ANSI standards, the King Combo 2 is ideal for electricians, painters, and contractors who need one ladder for every job, combining durability, flexibility, and ease of use in one innovative design. The Ivanstock Core Drill is a powerful, high-precision drilling system designed for concrete, masonry, and stone applications. Built with German engineering excellence, it delivers exceptional torque and stability, ensuring accurate core holes even in reinforced concrete. Its robust motor is equipped with overload protection and soft start technology for controlled, safe operation. The ergonomic handles and vibration-damping design enhance user comfort, while the durable gear housing ensures long service life under heavy-duty conditions. Compatible with a range of diamond core bits, it's ideal for plumbers, electricians, and construction professionals requiring fast, clean holes for pipes and cables. The Ivanstock Core Drill exemplifies industrial-grade performance, reliability, and efficiency. The Hilti Neuron NRC 6-22 is a next-generation cordless rotary hammer that redefines performance and productivity on modern job sites. Powered by Hilti's innovative Neuron battery platform, it delivers corded-level power with outstanding runtime and intelligent energy management. Designed for drilling and chiseling in concrete and masonry, it features an optimized hammering mechanism, vibration control, and active torque control for maximum safety. The compact yet rugged design improves handling and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. With Bluetooth connectivity and digital fleet tracking, the NRC 6-22 integrates seamlessly into connected tool management systems. It's the perfect balance of strength, precision, and smart technology. The Geismar Pocket Mill Pro is a premium woodworking innovation that delivers unmatched accuracy for pocket hole joinery. Crafted from precision-machined aluminum, it provides stable, repeatable drilling for perfectly aligned pocket holes every time. The adjustable depth stop and dual-angle options allow flexibility for various wood thicknesses and project types. Designed for professional woodworkers, it ensures clean cuts, tight joints, and efficient workflow. The Pocket Mill Pro's integrated dust collection port keeps the workspace clean, while its compact form factor saves bench space. Whether in cabinetry, furniture making, or framing, Geismar's tool offers precision and consistency you can rely on. The Vivor Pipe Blockage Detector Locator is a state-of-the-art diagnostic tool for plumbing professionals. Using advanced electromagnetic and sonar detection technology, it accurately locates blockages, leaks, and hidden pipes underground or within walls. Equipped with a high-resolution display and intuitive controls, it provides real-time feedback for faster troubleshooting. The waterproof probe and rugged casing ensure reliable performance in harsh environments. Its long detection range and adjustable sensitivity make it suitable for both residential and industrial applications. Compact, portable, and easy to operate, the Vever detector saves time and effort, improving the accuracy of pipe maintenance and repair operations. The Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl is an ingenious solution for keeping work areas clean during drilling and fastening. Made from durable, flexible material, it forms a tight seal around the drill bit to capture dust and debris directly at the source. The collapsible design makes it compact for storage, yet expands easily to fit various surfaces and angles. Compatible with standard drills and impact drivers, it improves visibility, reduces cleanup time, and helps maintain air quality. Designed for electricians, HVAC technicians, and general contractors, this tool demonstrates Klein's commitment to innovation, safety, and practical efficiency on every job site. The Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitra Box is a precision cutting guide engineered for accuracy in woodworking and trim installation. Constructed from high-grade materials, it ensures clean, repeatable cuts at common angles, including 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and compound angles. The integrated bevel function allows users to transfer and cut complex corner joints effortlessly. Anti-slip feet and robust clamping options keep materials secure during sawing, enhancing both safety and precision. Suitable for hobbyists and professionals alike, this compact and durable tool is essential for molding, baseboards, and frame projects. Wolfcraft delivers German precision engineering in a portable, user-friendly design. The Tajima Chalk-Right Sturdy is a professional-grade chalk-line reel built for long-lasting accuracy and convenience. Featuring an extra-strong nylon line, high-speed rewind system, and robust die-cast aluminum case, it's designed for demanding construction environments. The large-capacity chamber holds more chalk for extended use, while the smooth winding mechanism prevents tangling and ensures even coating. With its precision line feed and leak-proof gasket, it produces sharp, clean layout lines every time. Favored by builders and framers, the Chalk-Right Sturdy exemplifies Tajima's legacy of craftsmanship, combining durability, precision, and ergonomic efficiency in one rugged tool. The Thingamajig scribing tool is a versatile marking instrument designed for precision layout in woodworking, tiling, and metal fabrication. With adjustable arms and a fine-point marking tip, it easily traces complex profiles and transfers exact measurements to work surfaces. The sturdy aluminum body ensures stability, while the smooth glide mechanism allows effortless, accurate scribing along irregular edges. Ideal for fitting countertops, flooring, or custom panels, this tool simplifies tricky installations. Compact and intuitive, the Thingamajig Scriber saves time while enhancing accuracy, an indispensable companion for craftsmen who demand professional results in every cut and contour. The Drillies is an innovative attachment designed to enhance drilling precision, control, and cleanliness. It combines a self-centering guide with an integrated dust collection system, making it perfect for wall drilling, woodworking, and masonry work. The transparent shield allows clear visibility while containing dust and debris, and the adjustable depth stop ensures consistent bore depth across multiple holes. Compatible with most drill types, Drillies is compact, durable, and simple to use. Whether for home improvement or professional installations, it streamlines the drilling process, reduces cleanup, and increases accuracy, turning any standard drill into a high-precision tool. The Makita Sprayer is a professional-grade cordless spraying system engineered for uniform application of chemicals, coatings, and water-based solutions. Powered by Makita's reliable LXT battery platform, it provides continuous, consistent pressure without manual pumping. The adjustable nozzle and multi-pattern spray control allow fine-tuned coverage for different tasks such as pest control, cleaning, or plant maintenance. With an ergonomic handle, chemical-resistant tank, and durable construction, it offers long operational life and user comfort. Ideal for landscapers, maintenance crews, and construction professionals, the Makita Sprayer delivers efficiency, precision, and power in a lightweight portable design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.